Hey guys, today I will show you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account and go to the board you want to duplicate on the left sidebar. Click the three dot menu in the top right corner of the board. From the drop down window, hover over More Actions, then select Duplicate Board. Next, choose what you want to copy. You can duplicate a structure only, structure in items, or structure, items, and updates. Structure only means it keeps your columns, groups, and automations but no data. Structure in items copies everything except updates or conversations. Structure, items, and updates makes a complete clone, including discussions and activity logs. Once you've made your choice, click Duplicate. The new board will appear in your workspace labeled as a duplicate of the original one. You can then rename it and start customizing it right away. And that's how you duplicate a board in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.